All right, welcome back. So today is going to be electrical day. I'm going to start with this light fixture right here. I'm going to actually replace the box there, put a little bit more heavy-duty ceiling fan box in there, just in case I want to transition this to a ceiling fan. Need to tuck up this wire here. I actually found out this is the wire for our septic that goes out the corner here, goes down on the ground outside and goes out to our septic tank. I do not think I'm going to be able to disconnect that wire and pull it through the joist somewhere. I'll probably end up having to notch these joists and just get the wire up there and put nailing plates on it. That's probably what's going to happen. Then outside of that, we're going to put up the light boxes here today. Let me show you what I got for those. So these are from Insignia. Bought these off Amazon. This is actually the third time I've bought these. These are the same lights I put in my last reloading room. They're super thin. They just snap up into the drywall there. They come with the box to wire them in, and they're super bright. I went with the daylight 5000K for the light temperature on that. Let me just give you an idea about what these look like, because we actually installed these in the hallway here in the basement. All right, so these two lights here are the exact same lights, and they put out a ton of light for just those two lights. So I'm really happy with them. And again, they went in my last reloading room also, so they'll be a good fit for here. They're super easy to install as well. Okay, that's done. I'm going to put this up there temporarily, just so I can get the light bulb in there. I don't need to do any more work in that box. I'm going to pull the power for the other lights from the switch over there on the wall. So we'll get this up there now. Okay, now I got some light in here. Yeah, this is just temporary. Of course, I'll put a different light fixture in, but that can stay up there for now until I'm pretty much done most of my work in here. I'll take it down when I'm sheetrocking. But all right, let's get the rest of these cans up there. So this is what the inside of the box looks like. It's got the push-in type fittings. So I'm sure that some of the electricians out there will probably hate that, but you push them in there tight, give them a little tug, make sure they're not coming out, and they work great. So that's what I'm using here. All right, so I've got all the perimeter lighting here done around the outside of the room, and this one right here I'm going to wire separately to a separate switch. I plan to put a safe here at some point. I figured that'd be pretty cool to have its own little light. So this one will be wired separately. So right now I need to put in a 3-gang box there and finish wiring this home run for the perimeter lights, and then run a separate line over to this one here. So we'll get that done now. Okay, we are done with all our rough-ins. Plumbing's all done. All the wood's off the ceiling. Electrical's all done. I did put a 3-gang box in here. We got one switch here for the main light that's on right now. We'll have a second switch for all the recessed perimeter lighting here. And then the third switch here will be for the single light here. That'll go above a future safe. So we are ready to start putting up drywall. So things are going to start coming together here. Really excited about that. It'll start to look finished at this point. So thanks for tuning along. Stay tuned. Episode 5 coming up next.